We're going to be using the gel press again today, and this time we're going to be using our Elements ink, and this one is henna. So using a smoothie, I'm just going to pop this down on the gel press, just building up my colour gradually. Now I don't need too much on because it's quite a strong colour, and these are very juicy ink pads, so only a little will go a long way. So I'm just fading it out as I work up the gel press. Like so. Okay, so I'm going to take my fan brush now, and I'm going to use a little bit of the yellow. And we'll use a little bit of the green. This is moss green. And let's do a little bit of the Prussian blue. Okay, that should be enough. And now I'm using our multifarious card. Take a slightly bigger one. And I'm going to pop that down and then simply turn that over and just give that a little bit of a press, and you can see how the pattern comes through, so you know where you're pressing. Okay, I'm going to just lift that off, and then we've got our lovely magical background. So I'm just going to mop up any excess ink off there. And I'm going to dry that off. So I've got Celeste here, one of our fairy stamps. So I'm going to ink up in Nocturne. And then let's just pop her down in the centre there. And give that a good press, let the stamp rest on the card. Let the ink just soak in. Okay. And there we go. I think we will use one of our masks here, and we'll pop that over the top. I think we will go with the Twilight. I only want a little, so just work your way around the edge, just gently, building up that colour. Like so. I'm going to put a little bit of colour there over the top as well, just to stop it looking too flat. Okay, I'm going to trim that down. I'm going to leave a slight border around the edge. Let's have a look at popping a verse down. You can of course use any verse you've got. And then I'm going to ink up in the twilight. And I'm going to stamp off first. I don't want anything too harsh. I don't want to take anyone's eye away from the image. So nice and gentle around the edge. Like so. Okay, so taking my white pen now, and then just test that, and now I'm just going to bring in some white, little white orbs. Some bigger than others, and I'm going to follow that through right up to the other corner. Like so. Okay, and lastly I'm going to just pop a tiny amount of glitter down, so I'm just going to put a few little dots in between the white little orbs. And then we've got some of our holographic glitter here, which I know is a favourite amongst a lot of our customers. I'm going to sprinkle that over and tap that off, and it's just given us enough, a hint of a sparkle, which is all I wanted. And there we have our lovely Celeste on a really quick and easy background. Thanks so much guys for taking the time to watch me today. You take care, stay safe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.